Good morning, everybody, and guess what? It is time to show you guys new coupons to print. I always print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get a point for pretty much every coupon that I print, and then it says that you get $10 for every Swagbuck you redeem at a grocery store. I don't know if that counts for CVS or Walgreens, but hey, I've already gotten 5,000 points just pretty much from printing off coupons for the last several months. So that's what I do. If you guys are interested in Swagbucks, you guys can print the link below. They give you bonuses. Sometimes it's 3 points per coupon, so it's all different every single time. So let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got. Now here we get the 50-cent off Kleenex ones. I'm going to print those off. I know there's dollar off ones, but I don't know when they expire. But I don't have any more, so I'm printing those bad boys off. They got 50 cents off of Kleenex, which I'd rather get Puffs right now because you can get it for a whole lot cheaper. But right now is a great time to print off those coupons if you guys do need it, because with school starting soon, a lot of schools need those kind. But right now I'm not seeing any new coupons. Here we got a $2 off Persil. Here is a click to save. What is that? Oh, it's just the weekly ad. Okay. Then we got $5 off of 2 razors. We got $3 off of the ROC skincare. Now, I've been wanting this coupon forever. I never get those coupons, and I ended up getting special inserts when I was with my parents, and now they got them, but I'm still going to print it off. Here we got $3 off disposable razors, and I am going to make a video showing you guys what...
They got a little hole.
They got a little hole?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to make a video showing you guys what I have for a printer, so there's that. Here we got $2 off of Gliss. $1 off any 2 Pledge products. Yeah, Ben, they don't need to see it, honey. Here we got $6 off of Clairol. 50 cents off of toothpaste. I'm going to print that because I did not get those in the one inserts that I have. Twix, buy one, get one. That's awesome. Persil, $3 off. The Pro Packs, which I'm just going to print those off because those are really good coupons. But let's just see. See, it always goes down. There's like 2 browsers in here. So let's see what else we have. I think those might be all the new coupons. La 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 la. $2 off Benadryl. I know a lot of you guys really like me showing you guys what coupons I print, so I like to share with you guys with that. Let's see what other good coupons there is to print. I'm not finding anything else that's really good. Oh, Muse cat food, buy one get one free. That might be a deal. Oh, should I print that off? I'm going to print that off just in case. But I can print it, pretty much print anything. And $5 off when you buy 10. Available only at Pet Specialty. Okay, I'm unclipping that because you have to use that at like PetSmart or something. I don't think you can use that at Target. And then here's the coupons that I've already printed. They had a $4 off of 2 CoverGirl, Talenti, CoverGirl, Purell. Those are ones that I've printed off already. And then you guys can also check Red Plum on this, and you guys can print those off. So they have a $1.10 off of Renewsits. That is actually a better coupon to print. But I always have problems at Walgreens with it, so I am not going to print it off. Here we got the Persil coupons. Snuggle. There's that. There's not much. But then if you guys also go to Smart Source, there is a $2 off Rimmel Eye, and then there's the Tic Tacs. Now this deal is awesome. I'm going to try to do the incognito mode and print those off because I love the Tic Tacs. There's going to be so many deals in the future, so you want to definitely do those, get more of those coupons if you guys can. But that is all it for coupons to print. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye bye.